How you guys are doing today? In this video, we are going to go over another storage class lab for the CKA exam, and this one is brought to you by KillerCoda.com, which is a free website where you can practice for the CKA, CKS, and it's the CKAD, but I'm want to go for the CKA, and I'm learning about storage classes, and this is a challenge or question on storage and storage classes. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start and see what they're asking for. You can see their useful resources is the storage classes. So you can open that. Let me close that right here. Cool beans. So for this question, please set this context to this guy. Good. We are going to create a storage class called green SDC as per the properties given below. Provisioner should be this guy. Volume binding should be wait for first consumer, and the volume expansion should be enable. Great. Let's go ahead and go to storage class and see if we find a good one, a good YAML file real quick. Let's go ahead and just copy this bad boy. We're going to use this one because something like that. We are going to open Vim because we don't use Nano anymore. We use Vim. Haha, I'm fancy like that now. So we're just going to call this at c.yaml. Paste that in here. We are going to remove some stuff that we don't need. This parameter, we don't need it. This volume binding mode, wait for customer first. They did mention that over here, so we are going to leave it. We are going to this mount options. They don't mention anything about that, so we delete it. Allow volume expansion, they do, and they want to enable, which is great. We don't say anything. They don't say anything about reclaim policy. We delete it. The provisioner, they do say something about it, but let's leave it for now. Annotations, they don't say anything about that, so I'm going to remove it because I'm like that. That's how I feel today. Okay, now we can just go ahead and insert mode real quick because I'm fancy like that. I use Vim now. I don't use Nano. How about that? Who would have thought? Now Kubernetes IO, no provisioner. Oh, that's not what I want. Oh no, this is the name. So the name is going to be green SDC. I got ahead of myself. This is a provisioner. So the provisioner is going to be the no provisioner. So we got that. We have the name. We got the provisioner. We are going to allow volume expansion. And for the volume binding mode, it's going to be wait for first consumer. All right. Now we do a K, create the file that we want to create, SC. Run it. There we go. K get SC. Awesome. K describe SC, and here it is, all the good stuff. So let's go ahead and check, and validation successful. So we passed this one. That was a really good one, really quick one, really easy points. And this is it for this video. I'm sorry guys, I thought it was gonna be longer than that, but I guess not. But hey, follow me if you want to see more videos like this. I have videos on everything, CKA, networking, CCNP, CCNA, everything you guys want in this channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share this video, hit the thumbs up, like it, share with everybody. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.